here's how you can block specific apps on the iPhone. So let me show you how you could set that up. Let's get started. And if you're new here, make sure you become part of the community so that way you'll never miss anything important. Anyways, if you have a few apps on the iPhone which you don't want to be accessed or you don't want them to even be downloaded, I'm going to show you how it works. At first, if you want the app to be limited in the usage, you could go to the settings and check out the screen time section where we can find app limits. And in there, if you set up a new limit, you can choose a particular category of apps or a specific app, of course. And then you decided that this app can only be used for a set amount of time during the day. So you can make it low as like 1 minute per day or whatever you like. And you can even choose it differently for different days of the week. So that's how you can set up the restrictions for one app. So it's technically installed on the iPhone, but it's like locked in a place or blocked, meaning that it's impossible to use it. You can as well lock these settings, so you can lock screen time, meaning that nobody will be able to change the settings in here unless they know this passcode. So this applies to existing apps on the iPhone which you want to limit the usage of. But if you want to prevent some more apps to be installed on the iPhone, you can stay in here in the screen time section, but instead proceed to the content and privacy restrictions. And at the top, we have iTunes and App Store purchases. And you can literally decide that the installing apps is not going to be allowed, and that way you disable the App Store as a function at all, and no more apps can be added or installed on the iPhone. So you like technically block all apps which are not already part of the iPhone. So it depends on which approach suits you better. Let me know about that below in the comments. I'm really curious to know about that. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one.